Hello, here is the best all-in-one marketing software to launch your business. Save time and money by using only one tool to run your entire business. But don't take our word for it and just see for yourself. And start your free 14 days trial. No credit card needed. Marty Englander says, I believe Systemeio will be a game changer in the all-in-one marketing platform industry and will most likely become ClickFunnels' biggest competition, overtaking Builderall and Lead Pages. Florian Pouvreau says, it is the simplest tool I have ever used. I have certification from HubSpot, Pardot, and ActiveCampaign. Thomas Gies says, it's as powerful as ClickFunnels, but easier to use. Sales funnels, squeeze pages, sales pages, payment pages, build entire sales funnels in just a few clicks. Email marketing, send newsletter, set up follow-up email campaign to sell on autopilot. Sell your online course. It takes just a few minutes to build your online course using our editor. Dropshipping, specific features to sell physical products using sales funnels. Launch your blog. WordPress is great, but it's a lot of work to set it up. We just made it easier to launch your blog. Run evergreen webinars. Sell on autopilot with evergreen webinars. Create your affiliate program. It's what we use to run an affiliate program that generates over $70,000 in sales per month. Automate your business. Build entire workflows to automate your business. Scale your business. We believe Systemeio is the best tool to launch an online business, but it's also very powerful. It is what we use to run our entire online business and make over $130,000 in revenue per month. Join the movement. Already 2,000 and plus happy customers. Start your free 14 days trial. PS. In case you were wondering, yes, this page was made with Systemeio. We use Systemeio to run our entire business. Bye bye.